Hey, what's going on? Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Jeff. Welcome aboard. Today I'm going to be day trading the S&P 500. I do that. Well, I trade the S&P 500 day trade every day. I don't go live every day on the channel. So if you are new to the channel, what's up? What's up? Let's get ready to rock and roll. A little bit about me really quickly. I've been in the financial industry for 28 years. Securities license, which means I was a professional money manager for the majority of those years. I've been day trade. Well, I've been trading 18 years, primarily option trading, TTM squeeze, bull flags, breakouts, calendars, things like that. I actually teach options. I have an awesome option course, like no shit, down below. And then I've been day trading the S&P 500 for 5 years. This year, we're doing Apex. I just got introduced to prop firm trading for the first time. Apex trading. We're trading $50,000 evaluation accounts. If you would like to join me in the school where I talk about options, crypto, stocks, naked puts, passive income, day trading, check down below. Welcome aboard. Let me let everybody inside the room. Market's down quite a bit. I think I heard something about tariff news. I don't fucking know. This market's on crack anyway. But let me get set up. Hey, thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. All right. And we're down 59. Now, gold's up big. Silver's up big. Bonds are up decent. So commodities are up. Market destroyed. But you know what? The Dow Jones isn't down that much. It's only down 100 or something. So we'll see. What's up, Mitch? Hey, good morning, Mitch. Good morning, brother. Good morning to you too, buddy.
Good morning to you too, brother.
Oh, shit.
How are you doing this fine Wednesday morning here in Mission, Texas?
What the heck? My damn AI is going crazy on my phone. My phone just started talking to me. What the hell? It said, good morning to you too, brother. What the heck? How are you doing in Mission, Texas? What the fuck? Crazy ass AI. Let's see what we can do today, my friend. We do have, let's see here. Right here. Fed Chair Powell. 12:30. You know, what's interesting is the core retail sales came out better than expected, right? I would think that's a good thing. I don't know. I heard something about China and tariffs. I don't fucking know, dude. China is open to talks if Trump shows respect. What the fuck is that, dude? What's up, John?
Good morning, Jeff. Are you showing some respect?
I'm looking at that right now. It says China is open to talks if Trump shows respect. What the fuck? Oh my God. So here's what gets me. U.S. sales, retail sales increased. So that's good. But the market is down a lot. What's up with that? China's open to talks if Trump shows respect. That is so fucking funny. Fed chair speaks at 12. What's up, Brandon? Yeah, so for the market, I think this is an overreaction. I believe this market is going to rebound because the numbers were good. Who knows? But again, it's also Fed today. So your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. The only thing I can say is yesterday in the afternoon, I did really good. I traded with my Eval, and then once I hit what I wanted to hit, I went to Sim, and I crushed it. I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I'm starting to develop something. But I'm not going to say much yet because we'll see if I can do it again for a couple days in a row. Yeah, I don't know, brother. I mean, I don't know. So this line right here, I figured it out. Obviously, that's the VWAP. That's the VWAP. So I have, look. Hang on. Yeah. So what I had to do was go to futures. I had to take off extended hours. And then over here, I had to take off extended hours because what that does is it seems that it helps toss match up better with my Sierra charts. Who knows, right? But it seems to match up better. So we'll see. So it's going to look kind of weird because that's the VWAP. I guess that's the VWAP. I don't even know. Because I have it to where it doesn't show, it kind of changes it. So it's literally only going to show actual trading, none of the pre-market. So my VWAP is probably going to be different, but that's okay. That's fine. I've got my signals that I've been trading, and it does not include the VWAP. Ticks did open up down 539. Ticks did open up down 539. We did open up bearish and bearish strong over here in a 15-minute. Bearish strong. Oh, there it is down there. Yeah. Our momentum is falling on all three time frames, so we're definitely bearish. Go ahead and start marking some stuff. I do want to let a tiny bit shake out. There we go. I can see it a little bit better. It's kind of skewed a little bit here in the morning. Just moving stuff around where I can see it better. All right. So we got about 6 more seconds left in this candle. Some marking stuff over here on my Sierra charts. All right, cool. There's our range so far. Oops. Oh, shit. Here we go. Damn it. All right, so we got this 81.25 area. Ticks are down. So I'm actually going to be looking to potentially go short if I get a signal. I have permission to go short. So we'll see what happens. Ticks are down. Near-term blue line is rising. It's in this upper zone on the 1 minute. Got a little fake out up here, so I might look to go short if I get my signal. See what happens. I've been working on some stuff, and I'm not going to lie. I have not felt this good, especially about the afternoon, ever. Just so you know. But I gotta prove that it works for some days before I start like really rocking it. But I'm gonna tell you, it was solid. Who's there? Who's there? What's going on? Save the earth. Yep, save the earth. You're not talking to yourself, brother. You got it. All right. Again, I don't look over to the chat that much. I mean, I'm trying to trade. Welcome aboard. Save the Earth. All right, so in this particular case, nothing happened, right? We got 2 fake outs up to the top. Save the Earth. 81.25. Fake out, fake out. Let's see here. All right. So I'm backing off. I'm not going short. I'm just watching over here. We're still not quite in sync. I think it's because it's a little bit more volatile in the mornings and it's not matching up like perfectly. It's all right. All right. Hey, you're welcome. Save the Earth, baby. I'm right there with you. Save the Earth. But again, I can't look at the chat as much because I'm focused on the screen, but I will glance over there and say what's up. So just hang tight, man. Welcome aboard. All right, Brandon, John, Mitch are just waiting right now. We're popping up through 81.25. Okay, let's see if we can hold. This candle closes in about 5 seconds. Again, we're still bearish strong. All right, we closed. But you can see all 3 of our time frames on the 15 minutes are falling. All right, let's see. If I don't understand why this market is down so much. I mean, to be honest, the numbers are good. And China and all that shit, like, who cares? Like, who cares? Fucking, it doesn't mean nothing, dude. It actually is good. Not even bad. So, anyway. All right, let's wait for our next signal. I still want to go short, all right? I still would like to go short. We're back up here in that upper zone. We're below 50. So I am going to be looking to go short if I get a signal. I'm telling you, man, with this volatility, I've had to adjust the way I'm doing things, and I'm not going to. It's starting to work out. All right, let's see what happens here. Bearish divergence. Boom. So I am going to be looking to go short with a signal. So let's see if I can get it. Ticks are down. Everything's strong. I like it. If we get a signal. Okay. Right here, this is very crucial. We got a nice little bearish pin bar, but this divergence has to confirm. Has to confirm. Yeah, that's not going to do it for me. This is more of a spinning top. We could hold that and go back up. So I'm going to back off. Okay, I'm going to back off. I don't like this candle. This is showing an imbalance. All right. See, I'm just kind of, again, I'm no problem. We got lots of opportunities. I'm telling you, yesterday I clocked about 1,700. Yesterday. Now, over about 462 was Eval, and the rest was Sim. But man, and it wasn't even a good day. The market was very choppy, very sideways, and I'm like, holy shit, if I can do that when the market is just choppy, Okay, maybe when that some bitch starts trending, it'll rock. But I'm not going to say much about it too yet. Because, again, could have been luck, right? All I know is right now we got, it's kind of just flopping around. We are selling off here. To go to chat. What's up, Bobby? Bobby, what's up? Welcome to the Octagon, right? What's that show? Sick 4 Christmases. Welcome to the Octagon. All right, so we're sitting right on this VWAP. Again, mine might look different than yours. But you can see there's buyers. Right now, these candles, man, when you start getting really wicky like this, indecision all around the board. But looking at the Forecast Pro, we're bearish strong. All 3 time frame momentum is falling. On the 1 minute, we're bearish strengthening. Again, obviously. What's up, Jay? JJ in the house. So I'm focused right now on the downside. I've got 4 setups that I'm working on. Okay. 4. 4 to the upside, 4 to the downside. Right now, because we're down much, the ticks are still negative. I want to focus on being short. So I'm just waiting for a signal. Right now, we haven't had any. We had this divergence over here, but it never confirmed. So I backed off. Remember, we do have some announcements today, but not until 12:30, right? Fed Chair Powell. So that ain't going to do nothing to us here in the morning. But so what I want to do down here at this key level, I'm going to thicken it up, okay? It's now going to become a little bit stronger. We still got another 2.5 minutes to go. So I'm going to be looking to go short again. So that's what I'm going to be looking to do. I'm not giving up on the downside just yet. Okay. I am looking to go short. All right. Here we go. Let's go. So I am watching that. All right. I'm just looking at my CR charts. What is 15? 15 points is what? 60? Is that what that is? I get confused. I got too many windows open here. All right, cool. I can't believe. Yeah, gold is a big. Fuck. Gold ain't no joke. I told you, man. That's what we've been talking about every day in options. We've been talking about gold, right? All right. So it went down. That's good, right? That's what we wanted. Short. I told you I'm looking to go short. Now, gold, Wow. That's what we've been focusing on in our options is the gold. So anyway, that's a nice little down move. Now I'm going to reset. It's beautiful, right? That's what we want. Dude, gold is crushing it. Ah, look at that move, right? We said we're going short. That move was over 10 points, so that's it. Hang on a sec. So I'm trying to do the tick calculations in my head real quick. Hang on. So 4 ticks is 1 point. Okay, cool. Yeah, gold is pumping, bro. That's a beautiful move, right? We went short right down here. I mean, we're out of the trade. I'm telling you, I don't... I feel good, dude. I feel so fucking good. I haven't felt good trading in the afternoon in like a decade. Yeah, we've been watching gold. We've been watching GOLD, GLD, GDX, NEM, KGC, all that, man. That gold, we've been looking for an entry. Just keeps going up. All right, so we have a bullish cluster. We have 4 bullish clusters on the 1 minute. Now, what I want you to alert your attention to is, so we're obviously bear strong, right? Okay, but you can see here, your micro momentum on the 15 minutes is slowly starting to pick up. That could, with these clusters, could get us a bounce. We'll see. I'm surprised that momentum is rising. But again, it could. Just look at the signs. It could. All right, so we got this key level here at 65.50. Right? Popping through. Let's see if it holds. And that buyers, again, you got multiple clusters, right? So I'm saying, I told you, man, you know, watch out. That's what I told you, watch out. Look at that beautiful bullish pin bar. Exactly what we said could happen. Now, it might do this. Hang on, let me get my draw on items. It might do that, right? Just lure some people in, but our momentum is rising. Now, we do have a bearish intermediate confirmation signal to the downside. So we'll see if that confirms, right? The thing that gets me this morning is you got quite a few wicks, right? So there's a lot of indecision. When you get these spinning tops, look, you have this wick, you might get a pin bar trap. I mean, shit, a little bit tricky. Again, it could go down and get you and go back up. Black squeeze. Hopefully this market's not back to crackland. Okay, remember you have buyers right here. Be careful. Navigate the waters, right? Ticks are down 317. Two fake outs. How much is gold up right now? Gold is up 84. Holy crap. You know, Dow Jones is only down 200. And gold is like, wow. It's all right. It's going to be a long day. Long day. But I'm ready. All right. Let's see if we can pop down through here. Market's down 60. Whoa, there we go. Momentum is shifting. Oh, look, it's kind of flipping back and forth, right? Red, yellow, red, yellow. Bullish divergence on the 1 minute. Bullish divergence. Know what that means. Now, it hasn't confirmed, right? This is just telling you it's a potential until it confirms, right? A potential until it confirms. Got to know what that means. Especially in this environment, right? In this environment where it moves around so much, shit, you got to let things confirm. It could disappear, right? If it disappears, we gone. That was one of the problems I was having, but I think I'm good now on that. Watch, it might disappear. Boom, see how it disappeared? Perfect. That disappeared because it did not confirm. You've got to let them confirm. Now you got a double bullish cluster. It's got to confirm, right? Man, I just don't. I mean, this market's going to go. I mean, I don't see this market going down today. Yeah, it's going down right now, but I see it reversing and going back up. I mean, all the tariff shit, oh, that's gone. Nobody gives a fuck, man. It is what it is. That's already baked into the market, bro. And the numbers over here were good. Retail sales went up. It's all bullshit. Smoke and mirrors, man. This is all smoke and mirrors. All right, so we got another about 6 or 7 minutes in this Globex session. Globex session is the first 30 minutes. People are clearing out their overnight positions. And then we get into our New York AM timing window, right, that Charles talks about. That's the rest of the morning. That's where things are really going to pick up. So we'll get into that. We're going to look at options today, right? We're going to go through our whole routine. Look at a bunch of stocks. We'll look at crypto. We'll talk naked puts, cover calls, all that stuff. So we'll be live here on YouTube for a tiny bit more. Then we're going to get straight into the school, and it'll be just us. And that's it. So save the earth. Bobby, thanks for popping in. We're going to get to work for the rest of the whole day. If you want to join us, check down below in the description. If not, I'll be back here tomorrow on YouTube. All right, y'all stay in the room. Let's get ready to tackle the rest of this day. Peace.